In this video, we'll be doing a body scan. A body scan is a simple and quick mindfulness exercise and a great way to reconnect with your body. Over the next few minutes, you will focus on the physical sensations throughout your body. These sensations might be the feeling of clothes on your skin, tension in your muscles, the temperature of the air, or anything else you can feel. Sometimes you might not notice any sensation at all, and that's okay. Your job is simply to observe. You do not need to change anything about how your body feels. To begin, sit back or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so, or let your gaze soften. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, and slowly release your breath through your mouth. Bring your attention to your feet, including the tops and bottom of your feet, your toes and your heels. Notice how they feel resting against the ground. If you're wearing socks or shoes, notice how they feel against your skin. Wiggle your toes. Imagine your breath traveling down through your nose, all the way down into your feet. Now travel up your body, noticing the sensations in your ankles, shins, and calves. Notice the feelings both deep in the muscles and on the surface of your skin. Notice how your clothes or the air feels. Continue noticing the feelings in your legs as you move up to your knees and thighs. Notice any tension in these muscles. Imagine your breath traveling down through your nose and into your legs. Continue moving up your body, taking note of the feelings in your hips and backside. Notice any tension. Feel how they rest on the surface you're sitting on. Simply notice the feelings without any need to change them. Now pay attention to the feelings in your lower back and abdomen. Feel your abdomen expand with each breath, and notice the feelings in your core. Experience the sensations in your upper back and chest. Notice how your clothes feel on your body. Notice how your chest and back support your body. Now bring your attention to the feelings in your hands, fingers, and wrists. Wiggle your fingers. Feel your breath moving down your arms and into those fingers. Now bring your awareness to your forearms, upper arms, and shoulders. Pay attention to the feelings in your neck and throat. Now notice the feelings in your face and head. Pay attention to each feature in your face, one by one. Your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth, your jaw. Notice any tension you may be feeling in your face and head. Finally, slowly scan your entire body, noticing all the sensations from your toes to the top of your head. Take a few deep breaths. At your own pace, allow your eyes to open and your awareness to come back to the room.